So here we are on the 21st day of this 21 days challenge, and we are done with this finally. It's been a long journey and now it's time for takeouts. So number one about this challenge, it was a 21 days content creation challenge along with editing. This task was given to us by Tarun Bhaiya, and there were so many content creators, so many emerging artists that I could see in the videos, that it was awesome. It was amazing the amount of efforts people had put in. So basically I came home and I sat to write down a script for this video, but basically I thought this is better unscripted because these are my takeout from the challenge. Number one, consistency is not easy. No, it's not. It's really tough. It's not like I've never tried 21 days challenge before. I have a lot of, but I could not make it to the end of any. So this might be the first or the second challenge I made to the end of. Number two, one of the most important things in the challenge were the content creation, and trust me, content creation is not easy. So basically when I was small I always had the thing to become a YouTuber, but now that I actually had to post things, I realized that it's not easy at all. Being consistent, having good content, good quality content with quantity is tough. It's very tough. So people who are trying to start a YouTube channel, they should know this, that it's not going to be easy. It's going to be very, very tough, but the people who stay till the end of it make it. Number three, nothing comes for free. Genuinely nothing does. I thought it's just 21 days of posting and we could post anything. I did post anything for a few days, but then I realized the amount of hard work others were putting, and I did try to get my content on track, which did not actually work, but since there was a resistance on my time, it did have a little impact and the content went through a downfall. So one thing that is very important is that you have to make a lot of sacrifices and you should be prepared for it. From giving up time for your favorite hobbies to giving up time for your exercising in the gym and all the stuff, you need to put in efforts and you will have to sacrifice. So if you are ready to do all those things, jump into this because it's going to be a great experience. But honestly, overall, if I had to summarize this course, this challenge and everything, I guess I learned a lot of things which were new to me. It takes a lot of time to edit. Editing is not an easy hobby to keep up with because you need to put in time, effort and creativity all in the place. But it's worth it. Yes, with this challenge, it kind of forced me to step out of my comfort zone, which was worth it. So if you are planning on taking on any 21 days challenge, do it. And as a summary of this entire thing, I would say it was worth it. The effort, the time, the sacrifices, it was all worth it. And a big thanks to the mentors who have been helping us, guiding us, motivating us through this entire journey of 21 days. It wasn't easy, but it was fun, definitely, and worth giving a try. Also, thanks to Tarun Bhaiya for this amazing opportunity. It's not buttering, it's genuinely thanking them. So we are done with 21 days challenge. Let's go.